Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to transfer all charts from WhatsApp to a new phone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To transfer all charts from WhatsApp to a new Android phone, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your old phone. Go to Settings, then go to Charts. Tap on Chart Backup. Manually back up your charts if needed. Step 2. On your old phone, ensure you are signed in to a Google account linked to your WhatsApp. Connect both phones to Wi-Fi. On your new phone, install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Step 3. Open WhatsApp on your new phone. Just follow the prompts to enter your phone number and verify it through the OTP one-time password sent to your number. Step 4. During the setup on your new phone, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chart history. Tap Restore to retrieve your charts from the Google Drive backup. Step 5. The restoration process might take some time depending on your size of your backup on your internet connection. Step 6. Once the restore is complete, go ahead and tap Next. Complete the setup process by entering your name and other necessary details. Step 7. If prompted, go ahead and install additional backups from local storage or follow any in-app instructions to restore additional media files. After completing these steps, you should have all of your WhatsApp charts, including media files, transferred to your new phone. Ensure both phones are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network during the process, and keep in mind that the Google account linked to WhatsApp should be the same on both devices for successful restoration. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.